What's good, BP crew? It's Spence Crosby, and today we're going to be talking about this one essential tip that'll change your life. Stay tuned. And that one essential tip is to simply breathe. You want to have total concentration, water breathing, like Tanjiro, and you want to have your breathing just like Zenitsu. But guys, I say that all to say, breathing is very important. Learning to take deep and fulfilled breaths is not only going to help elevate your mood and improve your mind, body, and soul, but it's also going to improve your overall performance. And this is what I mean by deep and fulfilled breaths. Learning to breathe from your diaphragm and not from your chest. When you breathe from your chest, you're essentially hyperventilating. You're not allowing your body to take a great degree of oxygen in, which thereby you're not fully oxygenating your body. What you guys want to do is what is called diaphragmatic breathing. And what I mean essentially is breathing from your diaphragm. With diaphragmatic breathing, you are fully oxygenating your body because you're allowing your body to take a greater degree of oxygen. Once you guys start breathing from your belly or from your diaphragm, your lifestyle as well as your performance is going to improve dramatically. So remember guys, when you're taking your breath, do it like that because you'll feel a lot better. Make sure you guys comment in the section below if you want me to do future videos or tutorials on breathing. With that, go ahead and like this video. Most importantly, hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to show up at your crib and I'm not gonna teach you how to breathe. I'm gonna just go like this. And now, I'll see you guys next video. Peace!